Look at the Prelude. When was the last time you saw one of them babies? The little Z125. Ooh. Almost forgot how to ride. Hit the horn. Oh, it's been a while. Well, what's good, everybody? It's your boy KTG. We're back with the first ride of 2024. It's spring, but in Minnesota, we kind of do things a little bit different in the spring. We kind of allow the snow to stay while we ride. And so we're gonna go ride, grab something real quick, and I guess I'm gonna do a little vlog. It's like 40 something degrees out. Just wanted to get the baby out. It looks beautiful out here. I mean, it's definitely different with all the snow out. Just moved into this new neighborhood. It's beautiful. It's weird seeing the snow, but it's not cold. It does feel good to ride again. Now hopefully all my vlogging stuff works like it was working before we took a little break. I think I really need to invest in like a warmer jacket. This is awesome just to be able to ride during the colder weathers. Starting to get the sniffles. Well, he came up pretty close to me there. I had some back spasms last week. I was like, man, I'm getting old. I'm not going to be able to ride, but I'm feeling fine on the bike. Oh, yeah, baby. I haven't seen any other bikes riding around. Am I the only crazy one? It's not that bad out here. And the roads are pretty nice. I mean, you can see some areas where there's still salt. Try to avoid those areas when you ride, because obviously you don't want to kick that stuff up and get it onto your bike. Like, there's still gravel around, so you still got to take it a little easy. I actually had to get my tabs, so I got those on now. Let's take small roads, the back roads, or whatever you want to call it. It's starting to feel a lot better as the tires are warming up. Alright, this season I think I'm ready for a new helmet. I like this helmet. Everything's great about it except for one thing, is this. It's a modular helmet and you always have to lift up the front face mask to take it off. It's not like how a full face where you're just slipping it on and off. I prefer that, I guess. I didn't know that before I bought this thing, so you can't see it right now, but I'm tearing up right now because the cold air is getting through my helmet, hitting me in my face, making me cry like a little baby. Because like I said in the beginning of the video, I believe, I said it was like 40 something degrees. Let's get in a tuck position. You see all the little salt patches right there, yeah. And gravel and salt patches right there. That's what you gotta look out for. Little salt patches right there. And right there, that's all salt right there. That's like they just dropped like a pile of salt right there. And that's super dangerous for riders. So you gotta take it a little easy. In Minnesota, at least. Feels good just to be riding again. Oh man.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for all your support. Stay safe. Have a great one.